What's up, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how we can make up to $125 per sale. We can make $10,000 promoting a service that so many people already need. And we're going to be using AI to generate interest. And we're going to be showing you 3 free methods to promote your offer so that we can really start making this money. And we're going to be doing it passively. Guys, there's so many tips and methods in this video. You got to see and stay till the end to see everything I'm going to show you starting right now. Okay, guys, step number 1, we are going to head over to a website called cloudways.com. Cloudways is a hosting provider. So basically anybody that's going to use a website or make a website is going to need hosting. Any website you've ever visited in the past, they're hosted somewhere. Okay, this is an absolute requirement if you're going to have a website, and there's so many people starting websites every day and they need hosting. So we're going to provide that service to them through Cloudways. So if we go to cloudways.com and look at their homepage, we can see this is a really great service and we can feel really proud promoting it. Okay, they've been the #1 SMB hosting provider on G2, industry leading. Okay, 570,000 websites hosted there, 24/7 real-time support. So they really back the people that use them. Okay, simplicity, flexibility, go live in minutes, managed like a pro, scales to success. Okay, so that's basically Cloudways, and we're going to promote this service. So right at the top you can see there's an affiliate button. That's what we're going to go to so we can learn about what they're going to give us for promoting their service. So over on their affiliate page you can see there is a become affiliate now button, but before we sign up we're just going to look a little bit about what they offer, because that's really key when you're looking for an affiliate program, guys. High paying commission, of course that's important. Earn at our own pace, which means we can do this whenever we want. Of course that's important. Low customer churn. If you don't know what that means, that basically is that people who sign up, they don't leave the platform. Okay, once they start using the service, they stay with us. Okay, and that's really important. That means it's a good service. And then dedicated affiliate support. That means if we have any issues or problems, we can contact them and they're going to help us. But down here, we can kind of get an idea of what we can make. All right, so you can see that if we get 1 to 5 customers, they're going to pay us $50 per sale. But if we get between 40 and 80 customers, they're going to pay us $125 per sale, $10,000. So basically, guys, 40 to 80 customers is all we need to make an extra 10K, which is very realistic when I show you the 3 promotion methods that I'm going to show you in this video. So again, stay to the end because you're going to see 3 different ways that we can promote our link and then we're going to get paid. So first thing we need to do is sign up for our affiliate link. So we're going to click become an affiliate now, and then it's going to bring us over to this sign up page. You guys can see this is completely free. Put in your information, basic information. You can sign up in about 10 seconds, or you can just simply sign up with your Google account, guys, whatever works better for you. All right, so now that we're signed up and we have our affiliate link, okay, they're going to give you a link when you sign up for this. We got to think, what can we promote? How can we promote our link the best? We're going to do so through a helpful article. So I was thinking, okay, what's a good way to write a blog post? You know, I don't want to take the time to write it and I want it to sound really professional. I was going to use a couple different services, but I thought, what's better than the service that everybody's been talking about lately, ChatGPT. So if you haven't heard, ChatGPT is an AI bot basically where you can type in anything you want and it's going to give you back anything you want, pretty much. If you don't know what it is, just go over to ChatGPT in Google and click the first link, that OpenAI link, okay? It's going to bring you over to something that looks like this. Yeah, I think you have to make a free account, but again, you can sign up with your Google account. Here we can type in anything we want, guys, and this is really fun to play around with in your free time. But basically, guys, we can put, write me a 700-word blog post about how to build a website, and then hit enter. Now this is going to start writing this, okay? Building a website can seem like a daunting task if you're not familiar with coding or web design. However, with the right tools and resources, it's easier to create a professional looking website. And it goes on. So that sounds really nice, guys. Like, we could never write an article this well, okay? So it's going to keep writing and doing its thing. To save time, I already have one pre-written. All right, write a 700-word blog post about how to build a website. So now I'm not going to tell you to start your own blog. That's not a great idea because you're not going to get a lot of traffic to it, and Google's probably not going to rank you because you're small and you're new, and that's just not how they work. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this article, okay? We're going to go over to our next site, which is also our first step in our first of the 3 promotion methods. This is vocal.media. This is basically a site where a lot of people post articles. You can see these articles are written by different people at the bottom of the articles here. They post articles on all kinds of things, but you see this little create story button. Create a free account, guys, and then hit create story. Now we can make our post. So we can make our post, how to build a website fast and easy, something like that. Okay, you can play around with it, guys, whatever you want to make it. Now down here we can write our post. Of course we're not going to write it, we just had ChatGPT write it for us. So go back to ChatGPT, take our article, and of course if you want to proofread this, guys, and make sure you know it sounds good to you, then we're going to paste it here. There's our article, boom. But we're not done yet. We have to put in our link. Okay, so in here we're going to type, click here for the best website posting. Okay, And then you highlight it, and then you see this little button here that's like two chains together. That's the link button. Click that. Now here's where we're gonna use our link, the link that we got when we signed up as an affiliate with Cloudways. So take that link. You should have saved it somewhere. Okay, if not, you can go back and sign in and get it. Then we're gonna post it here. Now I'm just gonna type in cloudways.com, but that's, you know, you're gonna have your link there, whatever it is. Okay, now this is a clickable link. Anyone who's reading this article, guys, is honestly gonna need hosting. That's why they're reading the article, how to build a website. They're probably gonna build one. So they're very likely to click this link. It's a very targeted user, okay? So click here to build the best website hosting, or for the best website hosting. Copy that, and then we can paste it throughout this article a few times so they can't miss it. Wherever they are, when they decide to click, we're there, we're ready. Here you go, here's some hosting, and we make money. Okay, so that's method number one, guys. Then all we gotta do is post this article and we are good to go. That article is gonna have a very good chance of getting indexed on Google, meaning so that if someone goes on Google and searches how to build a website, if we put it on our own blog, it probably wouldn't show up. But this site, since it gets millions of viewers and is very respected in the eyes of Google, has a good chance that our article could pop up. Okay, so that's traffic method number one. Traffic method number two, guys, is going to be, of course, YouTube, where you're watching this right now probably. YouTube is the second most visited website in the world, only behind Google. These videos live forever, so they're going to be creating customers for us passively forever, and we can make a simple video. It doesn't even have to be complex. If someone searched best website hosting, there's some videos that come up. Now you might be thinking, okay, 25,000 views, that's not a lot. I see videos that have millions of views. Guys, if 25,000 people watch this video about website hosting, if only 1% of those people clicked your link and purchased, that's 250 people. I showed you how much money we can make with just 80 people. Imagine how much money we'll make if we have 250 or more, guys. Okay, this video has 94,000 views. These kind of videos aren't gonna have 100 million views, but they're very targeted. Every single person who watched that is interested in website hosting because they're probably building a website and realized I need hosting. So you can make a simple video, guys, if you wanna talk in front of the camera, or if you wanna just make a slideshow video. There's a lot of free online tools. Free slideshow creator, just Google it, you'll find videos, or go to YouTube and search how to make a free slideshow video. Okay, guys, you can do that, and you can make a video, post it on YouTube, make a channel with even just like 2 or 3 videos about hosting. If you get one of those videos ranked, you are gonna have a lot of clicks to your link. Put your link in the bio, put your link in the description, or you're gonna have clicks and you're gonna make money. That's the second method, second traffic method for getting clicks to our link. Okay, guys, number 3 is called udemy.com. If you've never heard of Udemy, it's basically a course website. It is a website where anyone can make a course and sell it, but they also have a free option. You can make a course and give it away for free, and you're thinking, well, why would anyone do that? Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a free course about how to build a website. It can be very simple, guys, very, very basic, okay? An introductory tutorial, okay? This is not a course that we're gonna sell for thousands of dollars. We're gonna give it away for free, showing people the basics, and then in that, we're gonna link again to our affiliate link where we can make money if they purchase hosting. So we can talk about that in the course. Hey, by the way, guys, if you're starting a website and you need hosting, click the link in the description below, and you can have this, and you can talk about Cloudways, why it's one of the best, like we showed you on the homepage earlier. Okay, guys, so you're gonna make a video on here. If you don't know how to make a video about how to build a website, just go to YouTube and type how to build a website easily, watch a couple videos, and then make a free course on here, guys. It's very, very simple. All right, and then you'll have a third option for getting clicks to your link. By the way, guys, if you like methods like this, I make videos every single week on how to make money. Subscribe to the channel so we can get our bank up. All right, guys, so that's number 3. So basically, to recap, we're gonna make a free article after we sign up for our Cloudways posting affiliate link. Make a free article on ChatGPT. We're gonna post it on vocal.media, make a YouTube video, make a free Udemy course, and we're easily gonna be getting enough clicks to make that 10K, 10 racks, baby. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, subscribe, like the video. I will see you on the next one. Peace.